we go. Here we go. Adtx breaking out. Now, of course, as I go live, the stock pulls back. We're at $1.82. We hit 217. We hit 217, 218 actually on the stock. Why is that? Well, if you were a member of our premium early alerts, you would have gotten that notification early. I told you guys, when did I put out that notification? I think at $1.60, whatever it was. I can pull it up. But anyway, you would have been able to make a quick 50 cents on the stock, maybe even more, 50, 60 cents right now. I mean, the action right now is even bigger than this morning's action. So again, you got to get in our early alerts if you want to get the early notifications when we launch the stocks and when I give you the trading signals. That's right, the trading signals. You want those trading signals early, you got to make the investment in yourself. Click the link in the bio. This is on the WAP channel, the Penny Stock Billionaire Gang channel. This is that's the platform we use. Hang on a second. Let me pull this up. How do I do this? 1 second. Stay with me here. Stay with me. I think we're going to close. My question is, what do you guys think we're going to close at? Do we close at north of $2? Do we close north of $2? How high will we go? Johnny Sahota. How high do we go? Let me show you how high. I'll tell you what, if you go on the YouTube live stream right now, I'm going to show you the charts. Your mind is going to get blown because I was wrong, by the way. I made a big mistake. I said there was going to be resistance at $4 or $2.40. I was wrong. That's not true. The resistance is, are you ready for this? $7. That's the next level of resistance. The next level of resistance on this stock is $7. I know it's shocking, but that's what we're looking for. Okay, so guys, if you're watching on YouTube, you want to get early notifications, see the links in the bio. Link in bio to get the premium program. Okay, let's get back to the charts. Chart action, $1.86, 15-minute chart. Okay, you guys see what I'm looking at here on the 15-minute chart? We got the moving average crossover. Make sure if you're watching this, go on all the platforms on Twitter, StockTwits, whatever it is you're doing, and just type in $#hashtag breakout stocks. Breakout stocks, whatever, right? Do that. Yeah, look, we're looking for 10 baggers. This is not the double your money channel. This is the make 10 times to 100 times your money channel. That's what the book is about. 10 bagger blueprint, my proven system, the proven framework. You've seen it with your own eyes here on TikTok, here on YouTube. You guys have seen it with your own eyes. These stocks, which we bring you that rocket explode 100%, 200, 1,000% and more. Let's go to the chart action. We're at $1.89. We're pulling back, making a comeback. On the way back now. Here comes the next pennant. Let me show the TikTok people this. Let me show the TikTok people because I just did a video on TikTok, so they should know exactly what I'm talking about. Hang on a second. Let me just write this down. Here we go, baby. Here we go. $1.89. That's it. The run is beginning. Do we close at $3? Do we close at $3 on ADTX? Okay, here we go, TikTok. Here you go, you knuckleheads. By the way, you guys, look, if you want to get the early notifications, if you want to make real money, you got to get our premium early alerts. That's right. You would have gotten the early alert over here. You would have known to buy here. You would have known right here, baby, $1.60, $1.64. We were talking it, $1.64. Look at my videos. We hit 2 and change, 220 almost. So you would have made, what is that? Is that 50 cents plus? That's a big move today, right? Big move. We're getting started. Again, you got the golden cross. I told you this was going to trigger the algos, and that's exactly what happened. Now, am I always right? I'm not, okay? I'm not always right. You know that. better than anybody else, because how many times do I say breakout? And I like to be in early. I like to be in early. I'm sorry, guys. I don't like to be late chasing after these stocks. I like to be in early, okay? So I give you the stocks early. What you decide is your decision, right? This is all paid content. It's all paid content. Our goal is, again, 10 baggers. We're not here for doubles. We're not here for day trading. This is not the day trading channel to pick up nickels. We're not the nickel and dime channel. We're the make 10 times your money channel, okay? We're $1.86. Let's go back. Let me show you the knuckleheads here on TikTok. Let me show them what's going on. Okay, because they're not. They should be watching on YouTube, but that's okay. That's okay. Let's go to. Let me see. Can we look at the 1 hour chart? Wow. By the way, watch this, guys. When is the next golden cross going to happen? Probably, if I had to guess, in the next 3 trading sessions. Okay, in the next 3 trading sessions, guys, watch for this. We're gonna have a buy signal on the 1 hour chart when the red line here, the moving average, the 50 crosses over here. Probably it's gonna take a couple of trading sessions. Okay, and that is gonna be the next level. Okay, that's gonna be the thing that's gonna send this thing. Again, I'm not here for $1. I'm here to make 10 bucks on the stock. All right, this thing has potential to be a $10, $15 stock in the next 6 months. $10, $15. I'm not talking about $1. I'm talking about making I'm talking about making real money. Stop being tomato cans, okay? All you guys on TikTok, you got these fake trading gurus, these fake trading coaches, these furus. You know what a furu is? It's a fake trading guru. Furus. You got these grifters out there trying to steal your children's lunchbox money with nickel and dime stuff. I'm giving you stocks which are bangers out of the gate. You invest $195, you get the early notification. Now, by the way, people were complaining. I had this one little grifter. I had a few of these grifters. They joined the channel. They joined the premium program, and then they said, "Oh," and then they can't. We had two people out of like a lot. 2 people said, "Oh, the stock. Oh, right after you put it out, it didn't move as much as we thought it would. Oh, we thought it would triple. What do I have? I have control over the market. Listen, don't come back. Don't come back. You do that type of thing, you're banned forever, okay? That's it. And you guys know, who I'm talking about. You know who I'm talking about, the person who I really couldn't care less. Bottom line is, if you want to get the early alerts, you got to be in our premium early alerts on the WAP. Click the link in the bio, in the video description. Click the link in the bio to get the thing. And that's also where we're going to have the early alerts for the next stock. All right, this guy's already asking for the next stock. This thing is not even hasn't even up 3x. He's already asking this guy's already asking for the next stock. This is the next stock for now. Okay, we're in the beginning. We're in the early stages. What you have to understand is this: what I love about the stock, what I love about the way this is behaving is we're not getting these gaps. We're getting very, very stable market movement. We've got big volume. We got stability in the market, which the problem we had with Hoth, with lottery, was we had, and Seattle, was we had the gaps created. So this time I did it the right way, where we staggered the intro. Okay, so we staggered the intro. Now it's nice and stable. You want the next stock, Matt? You want the next stock? You guys want the next stock? You got to click the link in the bio, sign up for our early alerts on the WAP, and that's where we're also going to have the trading course and all that good stuff. What's my target on ADTX? My target on ADTX is like $10 minimum. What do you think my target is? Didn't you read the book? Don't you know what channel this is? It's a 10-bagger channel. 10-bagger. Okay, I told you about the stock at $1.30, right? If you were on our earlier alerts, you would have gotten it around $1.35, actually, $1.35, $1.40. 10 baggers. I'm looking for $10, $15 upside potential. Am I saying it's going there? Is it guaranteed? No, it's paid content. It's all stock promotion. It's a real company. Yes, it's a real company. Tomorrow is a live stream with the CEO. We're going to have the CEO live. He's going to be live. YouTube channel. Go to our YouTube channel. Link is in the bio. Link is in the bio to get the YouTube live stream tomorrow. And by the way, somebody was asking, what's our next stock? Well, when you join our premium program, You get the early alerts. You get early notifications, so you don't have to chase these stocks. Like Matt was asking, what's the next? Well, Matt, you would have been in. You would have been in at $1.40 today, and you could have gotten out at 220. Now, I'm not saying that 220 is the top. I think we're just getting started. I think we're going to $5. I think we're going to $5. Heather, yeah, what do you think? Heather, you have to understand something. TikTok, this is not our main thing. You know, we reach thousands of institutional investors. We have a newsletter. We have conferences. It's a real business. Okay, so yes, we create value for companies. We help these deeply undervalued companies get their stock to in front of eyeballs. That creates demand for the stocks, and that's what creates massive volume. And you know what? I have a great track record. Look at all our stocks. We have had 13 stocks that went up between 10x and 50x. I'm talking 5,000% increase in the last few years. We've already had multiple multi-baggers. Every one of our stocks is exploding. You want to know how it works? Get the book, 10-Bagger Blueprint. Where do you get the book? It's on Amazon. It's on Amazon. Heather, it's on Amazon. Go to Amazon. Get the book. You understand how the system works. Okay, let's go to... Okay, let's see, what are we looking at? What are we looking at? Why am I excited about the stock? Why do I love this stock? I'm going to show the TikTok people. I'm going to show the TikTok people. You know what? Because you guys on YouTube are not making any comments. The TikTok people are. So you know what? My priority goes to the TikTok people. That's right. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. Okay, I'm looking at the 4-hour chart. ADTX, $1.87. Have we topped out yet? I don't know. You tell me. We're over here. We're over here. Okay, we just broke out on the 4-hour chart, just above the 50 moving average. That's the 4-hour chart. We just breached it. Literally, just now. We just breached it. So that's the algos. Where is the next level of resistance? You know where it is? Well, you guys would know. It's right over here, which is $7, about $7, $8. So this thing, how high can it go? Well, I'm looking here, $10. $10 is really the next level. Maybe $7. Let me see. Hang on a second. Let me see. What is it? What's the level? I think $6 to $8. $6 to $8. $6 to $8. Again, this is what I'm looking at. Okay, that's your chart. Okay, where are we? We're over here. We're over here. Here's $20. That shows you what the upside potential is. You understand now? This guy, Alex, is saying he thinks it's too late. I mean, you know what? I got to tell you something. However long I'm doing this, Alex, I want you to know something. You're not unique. You are not unique. You are not unique. You know, because every time I do this, everybody says, oh, it's too late. Oh, it's too late. Oh, the stock is up 40%. Oh, my God, it's too late. If you read my book, Alex, if you read my book, you know the time to buy is when the stock, it's not now. The time to actually buy when the smart money comes in is when the stock is making 52-week highs. Nick Darvis came up with that. You know who that is? Nick Darvis? 50 years ago, 70 years ago, this guy came up with this. He realized that's the momentum trade. That's when the momentum trading kicks in. The time to buy ADTX is when it hits a 52-week high. Of course, by then it'll be probably $10, and then it'll go to like maybe $30, potentially. Again, that's the way momentum works. LFG, I'm going to subscribe to your premium newsletter. There we go. Yeah, listen, we're going to have multiple new stocks launching. Okay, I'm looking for stocks that meet very specific criteria. We have a 10-part checklist. 10-part checklist. We don't just put any mooch bum on this program. Okay, these companies need to be deeply undervalued. Okay, what have any of you guys read the book? Okay, Caesar is up $300. All right, send us a what do you call it? Testimonial letter. Okay, here's what I'm looking for. We're going to be doing the course on the WAP channel. So again, I'm looking for first of all, I'm looking for deep value. I'm looking for something dirt cheap. So this thing was $5 million market cap at the open. We're probably at 8 million market cap right now. It hasn't moved that much. It's still early stages. It should be worth 30 to 50. So we got a 5x built in. It has what I call a built-in profit here. We got what I call a built-in profit on ADTX because I think it should be worth 30 to 50 million right now. at least, which means it's like a $5-8 stock. Yeah, Rigo. I think Adtx. I would wait for the law. I'm no buy and sell advice. I don't give buy and sell advice. But we're gonna have the CEO on the live stream tomorrow, and I think that is where we're gonna see some interesting things because he's gonna tell you about the fundamentals. He's gonna tell you what the future for this thing is, and that's the big deal. He's gonna because this guy is a winner. This guy is committed to maximizing shareholder value. They're buying a $20 million company. They're buying a company that's doing, a $20 million revenues. They're doing 20 million revenues. It's a women's health company. And somebody saying, "Oh, it's dropping. Oh my God, it's dropping. Oh, it's all over. It's all over. It's $1.80. It's $1.80. It's dropping." Oh my God. Okay, watch the next crossover. I'm looking at the 1 hour chart right here. So it could happen probably, I would say, by the 27th, either Friday or Monday. Friday or Monday is when we get the next golden cross. That's the 1 hour chart. That's the 1 hour chart. Okay. Oh, wait. It gets better. It gets better, guys. Wait. Okay, TikTok people, watch this. Here comes the 30-minute chart. I'm going to show we get another golden cross about to happen. We got another golden cross about to happen right over here. Here's the next golden cross. When you get the red line going above the green line, that's going to trigger the next frenzy. Just like what you saw just now. Just like what you saw when the stock went from $1.60 to $2.20 in 15 minutes. Literally in 5 minutes. How long did it take? Unbelievable. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. What am I doing with you guys? I gotta go to my people here. I gotta go to my people here on the Penny Stock Billionaire Gang channel and let them know what's going on. I gotta give them an update because that's what I do. That is what I'm doing here. Okay, here we go. So I'm not gonna give it to the TikTok people. Hang on a second. I'm gonna put the TikTok on pause. Should I put it on pause? ADTX, we're talking ADTX, baby. Okay, what are we doing here? We got support coming in here. The stock has pulled back. We got a pullback happening in real time. That's right. Unbelievable, true. It's pulling back a little bit. It might go to $1.70. I don't know. Right around here. We are in the early stages. Of the breakout. We're in the early stages. We're in day one. I think we're about to bounce from here. We're about to bounce in the next couple minutes. And I will let, who I'm going to let know? I'm going to let my people on who are paying money know about that. So TikTok, I'm checking out. I'll see you next time. You want to get the premium subscription? A link is in the bio. Get the early alerts. A link in bio. Okay, YouTube people, that's it. We're checking out. Time to go to our premium channel. Here's to your 100X. Leave your comments below. Spread the good word. Oh, it's still here? Oh my God, it's canceled. Uh-oh, what's going on? Uh-oh, it's not ending. Here we go.